Yeah, we are doing a mojito with ron, sugar, lime, and cannabis. We are going to make the extract already with our decarboxylated plant. We have it here on our tea bag. We're gonna drop it and we're gonna pour 2 ounces of ron. We throw some ice.
Lime.
A little bit of lime juice, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. And I'm gonna decor the glass with a little plant material, fresh, because it's a mojito. We want it colorful.
Mojito in another level.
Yeah, it has infusion. Approximately, we are infusion 2 ounces of ron with half a gram of decarbed flour, so we can expect a little more than 20 milligrams of extraction by glass.
It's awesome. What can I say? And I know you're gonna prepare us another one, but this one, I'm telling you, is delicious, is fresh, and you can just lightly taste.
Slightly,
yeah, which
That's
is
the,
great.
The goal, because you don't want to numb your tongue with the cannabis flavor. You want it to mix it with all the other flavors. I'm gonna make an old-fashioned with the same bag, because it has the full extraction with just one wash. I'm gonna wash it again, this time with a little bit of whiskey to make the old-fashioned. The old-fashioned has whiskey, lime, sugar, and mineral water. Whiskey helped us a lot with that. We have it ready.
And there you go. Now you have your old-fashioned. Ah, look at this. This is amazing. Just like a good old-fashioned. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you for introducing us to these 2 magnificent drinks, and thank you for introducing us to you, to your school, and to everything that you guys are doing. This is magnificent. We can't wait.
Thank you again for inviting us, and we are gonna see you again.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. See you.